Alright, I'm back again. We're going to be using the leftover paint to pour on this cradled wood panel. And all the paints are just mixed with Floetrol paint and a little bit of water. And this is a red oxide. Just scrape the last out of that. There we go. And then we're going to put in the teals, which are my favorite. I've got 3 different teals. We've got seafoam green, which I guess isn't technically teal, but alright, we'll just go all in here. What the heck. There we go. And we're going to be doing a flip cup. This is turquoise mixed with phthalo green. We're going to go a little bit up high so it mixes. We're just going to scrape the rest out. There we go. And then we're going to do, I believe this is just straight turquoise. We're going to do this one up high and then come back down low. And up high again. And I guess we should scrape the last out of here. So we use everything. And then we have a little bit of copper left. And we'll do that from real up high. So that mixes a lot. And I don't know if you can see this, but copper sells like crazy. It can take over very quickly. And I don't know if we've got a little bit of Naples yellow left. And we'll do that from real close so it doesn't mix. And just get everything out of there. There we go. And the last color we have is cadmium red hue, and we'll do this from real close because I don't want this to mix with my teals. We'll just get that all up there. And I guess a little bit up high. There we go. And this is a lot of paint for this canvas, but we're just going to use it. And whatever we don't use, we can put onto photo paper. I'm just going to flip that on. And it's sliding all around because I have liquid black, which was mixed with just the same thing, Floetrol and water. And I guess we'll just put the rest of the black, since I forgot to put it in the cup around. Just like that. And that's it. And we're just going to flip it, and we're just going to pull this off. Not flip it, we already flipped it. There we go. We'll just, like that. And we're just going to tilt this around pretty slowly. We don't want to ruin all those cells. And I'm not going to go all the way over the edge just yet, because I want to torch this first. And just get it covering most of it, and then we'll torch and go back through and get all the corners. You can see the air bubbles popping. And the higher up you are, the longer you can leave it in one spot, because just a little bit of that heat is reaching. And if you want the silicone to get pulled up, gotta leave it for like just a few seconds. But anything longer than that, it'll get burnt on the top and get a skin. And that is not what you want. A lot of silicone right there. We'll get that pulled up to the surface. And then we'll just make sure there's no air bubbles. Just like that. And now we'll finish tilting. We're going to do this pretty quick. And I'm sorry, I know you can't see this, but I gotta go this way. There we go. Maybe you can get that a little bit better. If my arm's not in the way. And back down that way. Just like that. Now we'll make sure all the edges are covered. just touch this up with my fingers here. And I gotta get some gloves because this is just a mess. And I have a wet rag here, but it's kind of covered in paint because I cleaned up the mess with it from last time. And that didn't really help any, but that's okay. Just give us another quick torch. Hoping a little bit more will pop up. Just a little bit's coming. Make sure we get the sides so they have some cool patterns over there. Come around here, do this edge, just like that. And I think we need some ribbons, because I'm not totally satisfied yet. We're going to do one just across like that. And this is leftover paint from the last one. Just like that. And like tilt it. Go back. And off the edge. And now I feel like we need one more. Let's do one here and one there. We're just gonna get this to come out and real quick. Just like that. And we'll move these just a little bit. And that's it. And we'll just give those ribbons a torch. And I got close to that just because we're doing it quickly. And now we're going to use a brush, or now we'll use a popsicle stick. Changed my mind 50 billion times. And we're just going to pull these little ribbons out and just get some wigglies going. And we'll do a few here. And just one there. Can't really see it. Wipe this off. Or use the other side, that works too. And we'll do some going the other direction now. And I think that's just about it. And we'll see if we got anything left in our cups. And if we do, we'll do some photo paper. We're just going to slide this over. Oh, we got a lot left down there. So we'll just scoop that up. Scoop that up. And we're just going to, just like that. And then we're just going to move that around. Bend it and get it everywhere because you don't want it too thick. I'll get this up close for you. And we'll just give that a quick torch, see if anything comes up. Nope, nothing too much. But still pretty. Kinda got some cool bands in it. Make sure this is flat over here so the photo paper doesn't move. Grab a few more pieces, and we're just going to get a little bit stuck in that paint, but that's alright. Just going to move it to the side. Try not to flick anything on the painting. And I think we need a little bit brighter color here, so we're just going to, let's see how we can do this. Just like that. There we go. And just move that around. And now we've got a little bit brighter colors because we got some of that seafoam off the table. And I'll bring that up close and we'll torch it. Try and keep it level here. A little bit's coming up. Nothing too much, just small stuff. Alrighty, that's it. And we'll use what's left in the cup to do one more. I'll just get what's left out of here. We're just gonna, oh, out of view. There we go. We're just gonna get this on here. It's a little bit muddy. We'll see if we need to put some new color on there. We'll switch this around that way so you guys can see it better. If I can keep it in view. I gotta work on that. My goodness, I just keep moving out. And we're just gonna torch this. And that's it. And I'll bring you guys down for a close-up. Alright, I gotta wipe my hands off first so that way I can get paint on the camera. Alright, we're gonna have to wash our hands off. Alrighty. And here's the finished painting. I'll come down, show you these awesome cells and ribbons. Got some pretty cool stuff going on. Look at that. See if it'll focus. I'm not sure how to use this camera yet. And this corner's pretty cool too. A lot of little cells. And that's the big painting. And we'll come over here. This photo paper might get trashed because it's pretty muddy, but we'll see. Maybe it'll make a good bezel when it's dry. That one's pretty cool. It's a good spot right there. This one's almost like, I don't know, something cosmic. And that's it. If you guys like my art, if you enjoyed this, check me out on Instagram and Etsy at BeyondAcrylicArt. See you next time.